No, guys. Oh my God. First and foremost, I really want to thank God for this blessing. I'm really speechless din kasi as someone who's new to this industry, as in, grabe yung hard work din namin for Sugat sa Dugo. And I really wanna thank our production, Sugat sa Dugo, kay Direk Daniel Gali, and kay Miss Bam.